Today, we are featuring our steel drum lifter Palletizer. The drum lifter Palletizer is an ideal addition to the maintenance and manufacturing facility. The upright design diminishes the bending and twisting that may occur when maneuvering heavy drums. For best use, place a unit so it straddles the drum. With the handle raised, place the lifting hooks under the rim of the drum in a secure position and lower the handle. By lowering the handle, the pressure of the downforce will lift the drum and allow the user to transport it. Other features include ergonomic design to minimize manual lifting, allows movement of drums with less personnel, manual design for precise measurements of product, and a bright color for visibility. This unit is designed to work with 55-gallon open and close-headed steel drums. Thanks for watching today. Be sure to visit us at Vestil.com for more information.
We're Vestil Manufacturing. We've got it.